What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we will be doing an unboxing, and if there's any bootlegs, we will... And I had that Sharpie, sorry about that. That was just to blur out my address. So let's just start into the first one. And, oh yeah, by the way, before the video starts, make sure you like, subscribe, comment, share. Alright, let's go. I don't have any scissors, so I'm just gonna have to, These are mystery boxes I bought off of Facebook Marketplace, I think it was. It was like a weird, sketchy place. Okay, we're slowly getting it unboxed. Oh, what is that? Is that? It's a bootleg. Oh, please don't say this is a bootleg. And this was 50 bucks. This was like 25 bucks. See what this is? Oh, it's just a normal fox. It's just a normal black, like glow-in-the-dark foxy. Oh, it's a 2019 version. Oh, this is rare. It's not too rare, but it's old. Wow, that's pretty cool. I bought another one. Yes, I bought one yesterday. It's somewhere downstairs. I'm getting it ready for another video, but that's so cool. Okay. Let's leave the smashing for later. The end of the video. Okay. So let's just put these weird poop bags away. And let's get started into the next one. Looks like it's been shitty so far. Gosh, these people do not know how to use some terrible tape. These people do. It's like a shoe box. Is there recycle? Loop recycle. Ooh, okay, not bad. A ruined Roxy. Okay, not bad. I have almost all of these, so I'm probably gonna sell them. Bro, I had somebody do this for me. Bro, this might be a prank. I feel like I have all of these. I do. I don't know. It's fine, it's fine. What is this? What the hell? Another poop out. Okay. This is worth like 10 bucks. Not too much. $7. This looks like. Oh, his ear. No, I broke off his ear. It's somewhere in this bag, but I broke off his ear. Let's drop him to $2 because I broke his ear. Oh, this is a cool one. Nice. Oh my gosh, I broke almost everything, dude. Wow, I broke almost everything, guys. Oh, the piece is right here. Guys, the piece is right here. That's so crazy. See how it's missing a crack in the piece? There's the piece. What in the world is this? I'm coming to eat you. I want to smash this. All right, I'm smashing this too. Those two so far I'm smashing. It's all right. He's like $5 worth of value. I don't know how much this is worth. Like $2 maybe. I'll chew it up and spit it out. Looks bad. Was it worth this money? No. I want to do it, but I don't want to do. Ooh, 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 ooh. Okay, let's go back. In the chin. We broke him in part. Chica, you ain't gonna survive this guy. Make sure you guys get a nice angle. Ready? Oh my. Weird, freaky. Okay, here comes a bootleg. Right there, bro. Worst. That went right on my pool. Okay. Guys, I think we're done for the video. Thank you for watching, and like, subscribe, comment, and share, and peace.